Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into something really amazing. We're going to explore the journey of building and deploying a real-time conversational AI agent from scratch using Google AI Studio. Seriously, if you've ever wondered how developers are taking a simple spoken idea and magically turning it into a fully functional AI tool in just minutes, well, you are in the exact right place. We're going to look closely at a demo from Tor over on the Google AI Studio team and break down exactly how natural language is basically becoming the ultimate programming tool. Here's our roadmap for today. We're going through 5 key phases. Phase 1 is the blueprint, then Phase 2, the prototype test. Phase 3 is going live, Phase 4, the remix, and finally, Phase 5, next steps. Let's get right into it.
So, Phase 1, the blueprint.
Okay, so the absolute best part about setting up your agent here is that it requires zero complex back-end coding, none. When you open Google AI Studio, you'll see a whole bunch of capabilities, stuff like video understanding or transcribing audio. But for this specific walkthrough, you're just going to select the option to create a conversational voice app. And here's where it gets fun. While you absolutely could type out your instructions, the platform lets you just use your microphone. You simply speak your requirements directly to Gemini. You're literally just telling it what you want to build. Once you finish talking, you hit build, and bam. The coding agent running on Gemini 3 Flash goes off and actually writes the entire first iteration of the application code for you. To give you a really concrete example of what this looks like, let's look at the exact prompt Tor used. He clearly instructed the AI by just saying, "Hey Gemini, I want to build an application that is a real-time interview practice partner." But, he didn't just stop at the basics. He specifically asked for a polyglot interview partner, one that could test a user in multiple different languages, like English and German or English and Spanish. And Gemini instantly grasped the architecture, a real-time practice partner that effortlessly handles multiple languages. Moving right along to Phase 2, the prototype test. All right, once the app is ready and you've given it microphone access, it's time to test out this newly minted prototype. Tor sets the scene for a senior tech customer support role, testing in both English and German. And during this mock interview, he actively tries to stress test the system. He really tries to trip it up. He starts answering in German, deliberately stumbles, and then asks the AI to repeat the question in English. The AI, it seamlessly obliges and then hits him with this intense, high-pressure interview question. How do you manage a customer who is extremely frustrated because a critical technical issue can't be resolved quickly? Now, this brilliantly illustrates the agent's flawless conversational flexibility. Tor actually pauses the role play for a second and asks the agent, "Yeah, that's a good question. Do you want me to answer that in English or in German?" And the AI responds so naturally. It seamlessly switches languages and interacts just like a real human interviewer would, casually suggesting they continue in English for that specific question. It totally proves that in literally a matter of minutes, you can generate an app that handles complex, real-time, bilingual interactions without ever breaking character. It's wild. Which brings us to Phase 3, going live. Okay, so you've built this awesome thing, and now you want people to see it. Google AI Studio offers dual tracks for deployment, which makes the whole process incredibly straightforward. If you just want some quick feedback, you can easily generate a publicly shareable link. This is super handy for just texting to your friends or coworkers so they can try the app right away. But if you're ready for a more professional setup, you can publish your creation directly to the web as a fully integrated app using Google Cloud Run. You basically just click Get Started, select your Google Cloud project, and deploy. That gives you a dedicated URL so you can share your shiny new AI tool with the whole world. All right, Phase 4, the remix. You really don't have to start from scratch every single time you want to build something new. By simply copying that original polyglot interviewer we just built, we can branch it and basically remix it. We can pivot its core function and rapidly transform it into a dedicated customer support agent. So instead of interviewing candidates, this remixed agent is now completely focused on helping our customers in whatever language they happen to speak. It keeps all those incredible multilingual abilities we just tested, but the actual objective has totally shifted. But to make this remixed customer support agent truly useful, it needs to actually know about your specific business, right? Well, AI Studio makes this remarkably easy. You can directly upload PDF files right into the platform. That means you can literally feed the agent your product manuals, your FAQs, or any highly specialized knowledge about your company. In an instant, the agent transforms from a generic conversationalist into a highly customized, super knowledgeable rep for your specific products, completely capable of pulling from that uploaded data to support your customers. It's a real game changer. And finally, Phase 5, next steps. So, if you're sitting there wondering what else is actually possible here, the AI Studio Inspiration Gallery is absolutely packed with incredible examples of agentic AI. It proves this platform can handle an enormous variety of tasks, well beyond just conversational bots. We're talking fully functioning multiplayer games built right inside the studio. You can integrate tools like Google Maps for location based apps. There are even brilliant examples using V0 for complex video generation and setups that instantly create beautiful, responsive landing pages. The possibilities are literally vast. It's like a giant creative sandbox. We've just walked through a complete transformation. We watched a simple voice prompt turn into a multilingual interview partner, get deployed to the web, and then remixed into a fully customized customer support agent armed with specialized PDF knowledge. And all of that was executed in just a few minutes. As we wrap up this explainer, I highly encourage you to leverage these structured steps. Head on over to Google AI Studio, tap into that inspiration gallery, and kick off your own coding journey today. The tools are literally right there waiting for you. So after seeing all this, what will your inspiration build next?